Hey everyone, it's Austin. Today I'm going to be making some sauerkraut, or at least trying to. It's a really nice fermented food and it takes just a couple weeks to do, but only 3 ingredients, super easy. So, you can see I have some chopped cabbage here. This is about half a cabbage, I have the other half here. So, half a medium cabbage, and what we're gonna take is we're gonna take about a tablespoon of salt for the half cabbage, or about 2% by weight. If you have a scale, that's even more convenient. And you just give this salt to sprinkle right over all the cabbage. And then we're gonna work that in with some clean hands. Right now it doesn't seem like it's doing anything. It feels really dry and like salt granularly, but we give this a good mix and we leave it for about 10 minutes. And we're gonna come back and there's gonna be a lot of liquid in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other batch too, so that I can get all of these into as many jars at once. So we'll see you in 10 minutes. And I forgot to mention, make sure you give it a really nice knead with your hands to try and work that salt in. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the brine out of this cabbage right now. Okay, so you can see, this is the whole cabbage. The half a cabbage used to fill this entire bowl. So it's really reduced down. We have a lot of juice down there. It has made its own brine. So before we get it in the jar, get it covered up and ready to ferment, the last thing we're gonna add is some caraway seeds. Now these are optional. They just add a really nice complex flavor. Anyway, we're gonna take this cabbage and I'm gonna pack it in. And I'm gonna pour the brine over this. So, just cover it all absolutely up. Might have a little bit extra, but who cares? I'm gonna slowly press out all the bubbles before covering it. See how that works? Yes. Oh, maybe I can get more cabbage in there now too. Okay, so after a bit of smashing it down, I was actually able to get all of the cabbage into this jar. There's still a couple little air bubbles, but I'm hoping those find their way out since it's just gonna be covered loosely. And I'm gonna push it down just a bit more before covering. So we're gonna give this our 2 weeks right here, a little bit dark. And as always, guys, you have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.